Welcome back, bookworms. This is Mrs. K. I'm glad you could join me and my two kitties, Arya and Hermione. Kitty loves Thanksgiving. Kitty especially loves turkey, and she will do anything to get her paws on it. So will my two kitties. Let's enjoy the magic of reading as we read together. Bad Kitty Does Not Like Thanksgiving, written and illustrated by Nick Bruel, and see what Kitty's plans are and if she finally gets her paws on the turkey. Kitty does not like Thanksgiving. Kitty loves Thanksgiving. Kitty loves Thanksgiving for one reason. Turkey! Kitty does not like green beans. Kitty does not like mashed potatoes. Kitty does not like cranberry sauce. But Kitty loves turkey. And today is Thanksgiving. Kitty likes to call this day, "Yummy, yummy, all of the turkey is mine and goes in my belly day." Kitty, leave the turkey alone. You have to share on Thanksgiving. Kitty does not want to share. She wants the turkey all for herself. Kitty decides to take the turkey. Kitty has a plan. No, Kitty! There go the green beans. Kitty, leave the turkey alone. Kitty has another plan. No, Kitty! There go the mashed potatoes. Kitty, leave the turkey alone. Kitty has another plan. No, Kitty! There goes the cranberry sauce. Kitty, leave the turkey alone. You ruined the green beans. You ruined the mashed potatoes. You ruined the cranberry sauce. Bad Kitty. Now you can't have any turkey. Kitty is angry. Very, very angry. Blam! Look out, Kitty! Look out! Poor Kitty. Kitty does not like turkey anymore. Kitty does not like Thanksgiving. Well, bookworms, if you enjoyed Bad Kitty Does Not Like Thanksgiving, be sure to check it out at your local library or buy a copy for yourself from your favorite bookstore. If you enjoyed my Read Aloud video, please give it a thumbs up and become an official bookworm and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy the magic of reading.